a bit confused why everyone is suddenly talking about UAE or OPEC. Don't worry, I got it. In next 2 to 3 minutes, I'll try my best to break down this current affairs topic for you guys so that you really understand why OPEC is such a big news. Hello everyone, and in today's video, we will discuss this article. The topic of this article is UAE quits OPEC. OPEC basically stands for Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. So if we talk about the key takeaways, UAE का departure हुआ था from OPEC and OPEC Plus, and it removes 15% of cartel's capacity, weakening its global price. This move aligns with US interests, enabling higher UAE output to potential lower oil prices. Strait of Hormuz closure due to US-Israel-Iran war exacerbates supply disruptions. The OPEC, this was formed in 1960 and UAE ने join किया था in 1967. And जब OPEC बनी थी तो there were 12 countries, but since UAE quit, now we are remaining with 11 countries. So OPEC was established in 1960, and वो countries जो OPEC को establish की थी were Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Venezuela to coordinate production for stable revenue. So UAE has joined this OPEC in 1967 and it became the key compliant member, but now quits after nearly 60 years for output flexibility. अब ये जो डिसीजन था, it follows investments to boost capacity. UAE produced 2.9 to 3.6 million barrels per day in 2024. ये क्यों हुआ था? This was triggered by US-Israel war with Iran, जिसकी वजह से there was closing of Strait of Hormuz, which was the key route for 1/5 of global oil. तो हमें पता है कि इंडिया imports 85% of oil needs. OPEC exits could spike prices, fueling inflation and trade deficit. Potential long-term price drops हुए थे, जिसकी वजह से इंडिया की इकोनॉमी को बेनिफिट तो हुआ, but it increases the market volatility for refiners. It shifts global alliances. UAE-US का जो ties था, it may pressure India to diversify suppliers beyond Gulf. At 13% of local output, जितना भी output निकलता था OPEC में, सबसे major stake था UAE का. Strait of Hormuz जो है, it carries 1/5 of global oil closure causes. अगर मैं बात करूँ कि यूपीएससी के पर्सपेक्टिव से क्या स्ट्रेटेजिक व्यू पॉइंट होना चाहिए आपका, जो आपका आंसर राइटिंग में हेल्प कर सकता है. हमें पता है कि इंडिया का जो ऑयल इंपोर्ट डिपेंडेंस है विद स्ट्रेटेजिक स्टॉक पाइलिंग डिमांड करता है एंड डाइवर्सिफिकेशन डिमांड करता है टू काउंटर ओपेक फ्रेगमेंटेशन. एक स्ट्रेटेजी हमें बनानी पड़ेगी इन मिडिल ईस्ट, बट इट विल वीकेन द कार्टेल्स यूनिटी, रीशेपिंग ग्लोबल एनर्जी ट्रेड डायनामिक्स. ऑल्सो ये जो एग्जिट है, इट सिग्नल्स सप्लाई सच पोटेंशियल. मतलब इससे इन्फ्लेशन तो कम होगा, बट स्टिल इट वुड रिस्क volatile prices for import-reliant economies. UAE's low break-even costs enable aggressive output, challenging Saudi's dominance in market management. And ये war से जो Hormuz में blockade induce हुआ था, it will underscore the need for secure sea lanes and alternative pipelines for India.